Working with Alpha Anywhere applications and encountered an ADB file? This is a database file from the Alpha Anywhere Rapid Application Development Platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. The final quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single P07 file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. P07. Files are PAR recovery volume files used by the original Parchive specification to repair damaged or missing parts of multi-part archives. They contain parity data calculated across the source files, commonly distributed with RAR archive sets posted to Usenet newsgroups for reliable transfer. PAR P07. Files use the original Parchive P07 format, containing Reed-Solomon parity information for reconstructing missing data files. The numbered extension identifies the specific recovery volume in a sequence and is used together with the base PAR file and other numbered recovery volumes during repair operations. The designated application for the P07 file is QuickPar from open source. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows cannot explore backup archives, so extraction depends on compatible backup utilities. For guaranteed results, right-click your P07 file and select Open With. Use QuickPar first if it's on your PC. If it's missing, try another application. Finding the perfect reader can take a few attempts. If your P07 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the P07 error using these three focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, locating recovery files. Place the P07 file in the same directory as the original archive parts and the base PAR file. Recovery utilities require all related files in a single folder and use the metadata in the base PAR file to identify each data file and determine which require reconstruction. Next, verifying archive integrity. Open the base PAR file in QuickPar Multipar or another compatible recovery utility to scan the data files for missing or damaged parts. The utility checks each file against parity information and reports the number of recovery blocks needed to repair the incomplete or corrupted archive. Finally, repairing damaged archives. Run the repair operation in your PAR utility using the P07 recovery file together with other available recovery volumes to reconstruct missing data. The utility writes the recovered files to the working directory, restoring the complete archive set, ready for normal extraction with WinRAR or 7-zip. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.